Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on all post notifications. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing some Squarebird. I played this a couple times before, and it's pretty fun. Like, you get to build so high with your... Oh, that was close. I almost died. Well, we're gonna literally just get, like, I want to get, like, almost all of the coins. So we're gonna get a lot of coins. Ugh. I have to watch ads. So annoying. Okay, let's see. Oh wait, I only have this. Like, I have 17 coins. Yeah, I don't want to watch a video to get one because I want to do... Oh, those guys look so cool. Dude, the golden bird. The Thanos bird. Dude, I really like VIP. I really want VIP. Okay. Here's another level. I need coins. Okay. I just learned something, because if you build up higher at the end, like, you just fall and then get a bunch of coins. So it's like really OP after levels for getting stuff. Oh my god, oh my. I'm getting this.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to let you know about this new app that I discovered called Misplay. So basically what it does is it recommends you games depending on your tastes, and all you have to do is pick a game, play it, and the longer you play, the more points you earn, and then you can use those points to get the different gift cards that they offer. So I'm going to go ahead and go to their shop right here, and you can see that they offer some pretty cool gift cards like Amazon, Visa, which is straight up cash, and since I have enough points to get a $10 gift card, I'm going to go ahead and get the Amazon gift card right there. I'm going to buy it, and that's it. It's as simple as that. You play games, you earn money. You should check it out.
That seems like a total scam, but I don't really know if it's actually a scam. But I love this, and there's no regrets. I'm watching some ads. Oh no, I died. Dang it. Actually never... Oh, what is this? All those levels? I want to get 1,000 coins so I can unlock some. Okay, I'm gonna do almost every... Oh, no! I was trying to do everyone perfect. My best is 40. My best is 47. What's this? Or what's that? Ooh, no ads. Premium. Oh, when we get Iron Man bird, there's gold. Oof, dude, that's so cool. I love the gold pack. I really want the gold pack. But I'm stuck with this chicken. Oh, let's go. I got spit. I can spit. Okay, now I'm gonna enter my mansion. Ooh, I want that ghost one. Yes, I got the ghost bird. Okay, now I need this. Okay. Next level. This is a flying sim. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Oh, and this is a bonus level. Where's my little guy? Yeah, select. Get all of these coins. No! I died at the bonus level. Dude, I might play that game. I might download that and then I might play with. I might make a video about it. Yes, all this beauty coins. Okay, I got 300. Spybird. Is this one again? What? It's so small though. Oh, dang it. No, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose it. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna... find the thing. The weapon's up there in her hair. Okay, I gotta be very precise. Whoa, eagles? What the heck? There's animals in this game? I never knew that. At least I got a pretty, like, a lot of coins. That's an iPhone 11 Pro. Okay. Okay, I think we're gonna wrap it up for this video because we played a lot, and if you want me to make a part 2, if we'll make a part 2, then that would be cool. So, hope you enjoy. Bye.